the saying breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Well, let's start there when it comes to eating right for the new year.
The new year is here, and that means chances are you've resolved to eat better, lose weight, and get in shape. Today, we've partnered with the Incredible Egg to share some of the best research-backed ways to turn your resolutions into reality.
That's right, Julie. An egg-based morning meal is one of the best ways to keep your diet on track. And studies show that people who eat eggs for breakfast feel more energized and satisfied and eat fewer calories all day long thanks to the filling protein eggs provide. I love to start my day right with these perfectly portioned frittata muffins.
Yum, I love those too. And eggs are real nutritional powerhouses. One large egg has 70 calories, 6 grams of high quality protein, and all 9 essential amino acids. Now you'll want to eat the yolk too, because that's where you'll find most of the eggs, vitamin D, B12, and more than 40% of its protein. What's more, eggs are one of the least expensive sources of high quality protein, so they won't break the bank.
And here's a great tip. A recent study found that eggs help you absorb more of the beneficial antioxidants when they're enjoyed with veggies, like I have here in the supercharged tomato and avocado egg salad.
And if your goal is to get stronger or fitter, incorporating eggs into your recovery meals and snacks is one of the best ways to supply your muscles with the essential amino acids they need to repair and rebuild. This tomato and egg bake is one of my favorite post-workout meals.
It's absolutely delicious. For more great tips on starting your new year the right way, visit us at appforhealth.com.